Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Miss English Podcast, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hello to all our wonderful listeners. I'm David. How are you today, Emily?
I'm great, David. I have my coffee, I'm happy, and I'm ready to talk. How about you?
I'm very good too, Emily. Today we have a very important topic.
Ooh, a big topic. I like big topics. What is it today?
The topic today is don't stop when you're tired, stop when you're done.
Wow. That is strong, David.
It is strong, Emily, but it's very good. It's about continuing, not stopping. And it's important, not only for learning English, but also for work, exercise, cleaning the house, basically life.
Yes. Before we start, thank you so much to everyone listening. If you enjoy our podcast, please click like and subscribe. It helps our channel very much. And share it with your friends and family who want to learn English in a fun way.
Yes, thank you, everyone. Now, Emily, are you ready to dive into today's big idea?
I'm ready, David. Don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done.
First, let's talk about the words tired and done.
Okay, tired. I know tired. My eyes are sleepy. I want my bed, my pillow. My body is slow.
Perfect. Tired means sleepy, low energy, needing rest.
And done?
Done means finished, complete. The job is zero. The task is complete. For example, my homework is done. The work is finished.
Ah, so the idea is don't stop when you feel sleepy. Stop only when the work is finished.
Exactly. But Emily, this is hard. Very hard.
Yes, very hard.
Let's think about learning English. Learning English is a big job. It takes time. One day, you study, you listen, you read, and your brain gets tired.
Oh, yes. I read one page, then two, then three. My eyes are sleepy. I want my bed, my pillow. My body is slow.
Perfect. Tired means sleepy, low energy, needing rest.
And done?
Done means finished, complete. The job is zero. The task is complete. For example, my homework is done. The work is finished.
Ah, so the idea is don't stop when you feel sleepy. Stop only when the work is finished.
Exactly. But Emily, this is hard. Very hard.
Yes, very hard.
Let's think about learning English. Learning English is a big job. It takes time. One day, you study, you listen, you read, and your brain gets tired.
Oh, yes. I read one page, then two, then three. My eyes are sleepy. I want to close the book and watch TV.
TV is easy, but English learning is work. And if the lesson isn't finished, you are tired, but not done.
Yes. So how do we keep going when we're tired?
Good question. Maybe the goal is too big. A whole book is too much for one day. Let's make a small goal. Read 2 pages or study for 10 minutes.
Ah, yes. 10 minutes is small. Even if I'm tired, I can do 10 minutes.
Exactly. Finish the small goal. Ding! You are done for today. You are tired, but also happy.
Tired and happy is much better than tired and sad.
Let's try exercise. Emily, do you like walking?
Yes, I love walking in the park. My goal is 30 minutes.
Good. You start walking. 5 minutes? Easy. 10 minutes? Still good. 15 minutes? Your legs are tired. You're hot. You want to sit on a chair.
Ah, the sofa is calling my name.
Yes, but the goal is 30 minutes. You are tired, but not done. Slow down, continue. 20 minutes, 25, almost there, 30 minutes. Done.
Wow, I am tired, but I feel strong and proud.
Exactly. The rest now is your reward. Work first, then rest. The done feeling is the prize.
What about cleaning the kitchen?
Yes. After dinner, plates, glasses, pots, a big job. You are tired and the sofa is calling.
Maybe tomorrow.
Ah, tomorrow is the bad word. Because tomorrow, the kitchen is still dirty. You are not tired now, but you feel sad.
Yes. Sad morning. Bad start.
Instead, Emily, say, no, not tomorrow. I stop when I'm done. Wash the plates, clean the table, maybe 20 minutes. You are tired, yes, but done.
Now I am proud. The kitchen is clean. I can relax.
Exactly. Hard work now brings happiness later. Easy choices now bring regret later.
David, why is it so hard to continue when we're tired?
Good question. Our brain wants comfort. The bed, the sofa, they are comfortable. Work is uncomfortable.
Yes, the sofa calls.
Yes, comfortable now, progress later. Work now, happiness later.
Ah, progress. So progress is...
Moving forward, learning new things, learning 10 English words, walking 30 minutes, cleaning the kitchen, all progress.
Work now, happy later. Comfortable now, no progress.
Exactly. So, Emily, what is the secret to continue when tired?
Secret number 1?
Secret number 1. Remember your goal. Why did you start?
I want to travel, meet new people, good job, new friends.
Focus on the goal, not tiredness.
Secret number 2. Make small steps. Study 10 minutes, write 5 sentences. Small goals are easy and make you feel good.
Yes, small steps make a big journey.
Secret number 3. The prize. Reward yourself after finishing the work. Coffee, music, a relaxing chair. Prizes help you finish.
Yes, work first, prize later.
So remember, 1. Goal. 2. Small steps. 3. Prize. This is how you stop when done, not when tired.
Wow, I feel motivated. I feel strong.
And everyone listening, you are strong too. Learning English is a big job. Sometimes you are tired, but don't stop. Small steps today, prizes today, progress every day.
Yes, for example, today, learn 3 new words. When done, reward yourself with a song you love. Work and fun together.
Exactly. Don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done.
Before we finish, we have a question for you listeners.
Yes. Write in the comments, what is one small goal you will finish this week? 1 chapter, 1 room cleaned, 1 lesson finished.
We would love to read your answers. Keep going, everyone. You are doing a great job.
Yes. Keep working. We believe in you.
That's all for today. Thank you for listening to Miss English Podcast.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye. Keep going.